So check this out. This is the Jungle Spoon from
Yeah.
Ototo. They sent this to us so we could show it to you, but it's just basically a slotted spoon. You can
It's
use it
fun.
for, you can use it in boiling water. It's safe for boiling water, although it says don't microwave it or anything, and of
Yeah.
course don't bake it. But
No.
it's nylon. It's made out of nylon. So
Yes, it doesn't scratch up your non-stick pans.
right, so that's really nice. But I like it's just this cool like jungle leaf thing, and
You
it
know
just
what
makes it more fun to.
I like it because look how high up it is slotted. When I'm cooking pierogi or dumplings, sometimes it's hard to get them out with a regular slotted spoon. This is nice and deep. It's going to be great for getting those those little dumplings out and holding them in there
Pasta,
and cuddling it and
vegetables, all
I
that
love
stuff.
it. And it's lightweight but sturdy.
It's really strong.
It does not flimsy like silicone or anything like that. I mean, some of the things I have just don't feel good in your hands, and this really feels good. I like it.
Yeah, it's really cool. And again, it makes being in the kitchen more fun when you have fun things like this is just more unique and novel and just fun to, and get people more engaged in what you're doing in the kitchen, because somebody walks in while you're dishing up the whatever, and they're like, "Oh, hey, look at that! That's the coolest spoon I've ever seen," and it is.
It really is.
Good stuff. Thanks for sending that.